Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 JH Holden Cruze Z Series. Stock reference number 4054. This shape runs from the third month 2011 through to the first month 2017. It has an F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle sustained damage in the right front. We have the right front fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand boot lid garnish. It's got a tidy rear park sensor bar cover. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror does have a small scuff on top. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.